Most people think sleep is when the body switches off. The lights go out, the room gets quiet, your phone stops buzzing, your muscles relax, your breathing slows, and from the outside it looks like nothing important is happening. But that quiet is misleading. While you are lying completely still, your body is running one of the most important repair programs of your entire day. Hormones are shifting, damaged tissues are being patched. Your brain is cleaning itself, memories are being sorted. Your immune system is checking for problems. And all of this happens while you are not consciously controlling anything. You know what? Deep sleep is not your body shutting down. It is your body bringing in the night shift. Let's dive into it. Here, right now. In modern life, sleep is often treated like leftover time. People track workouts, calories, protein, steps, screen time, productivity, and stress. But sleep often becomes the thing squeezed in after work emails, scrolling, caffeine, and one last notification. The strange part is, your body does not treat sleep like leftover time. It treats sleep like a scheduled repair window. Think of your body like a busy city. All day, the roads are crowded. Signals are moving. Energy is being used. Your brain is processing conversations, screens, sound, stress, decisions, and emotions. Your muscles are absorbing tiny damage from walking, exercising, lifting, and even holding posture. Your cells are working, burning fuel, and leaving behind waste. During the day, your body can do basic maintenance. But the deeper work happens when the city finally gets quiet. That is why deep sleep matters. Deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, is a stage of non-REM sleep where the brain shows slower electrical rhythms. It is also the stage where you are hardest to wake. If someone pulls you out of deep sleep, you may feel heavy, confused, and almost rebooted. That heavy feeling is a clue. Your brain was not doing nothing. It was working in a mode that needs fewer interruptions. One major thing that happens during deep sleep is a rise in growth hormone. This hormone is linked with growth, tissue repair, muscle maintenance, and metabolism. In children, it supports growth. In adults, it still helps the body maintain and repair itself. That does not mean one night of deep sleep magically rebuilds everything. But it does mean recovery is not passive. If you lift weights, run, play sports, carry groceries, sit at a desk all day, or even deal with stress, your body collects tiny forms of wear and tear. Muscles experience microscopic strain, joints and tissues experience load, energy systems get pushed. The repair work does not happen instantly while you are busy living. Sleep gives your body a better environment to start that work. This is why training hard but sleeping badly can feel so frustrating. You may be doing the exercise, eating the protein, and following the plan. But if deep sleep is constantly interrupted, the recovery side of the equation is weaker. The workout is the challenge. Sleep helps turn that challenge into adaptation. But the repair crew is not only working on muscles. Your brain also has a cleaning job to do. Every day, your brain uses a huge amount of energy. It processes information non-stop, from conversations and work tasks to music, traffic, social media, memories, emotions, and small decisions you barely notice. That energy use leaves behind metabolic waste. For years, scientists wondered how the brain cleaned itself so efficiently. Then research highlighted the glymphatic system, a fluid movement system that helps clear waste from the brain, especially during sleep. Think of it like a hidden plumbing network. While you sleep, fluid can move through spaces around brain cells and help wash away waste products that build up during waking hours. It does not mean one bad night ruins your brain, but it does show something powerful. Sleep is part of how your brain maintains its own environment. So when someone says, "I will sleep when I am dead," it sounds tough, but biologically, it is a bad deal. Sleep is one of the things helping you stay sharp, balanced, and functional. And then comes the next hidden repair process, memory. Every day, your brain collects a messy pile of information. A work conversation, a face you saw at the store, a mistake you made, a joke someone told, a stressful message, a skill you practiced, a fact you learned. Most of it arrives as raw data. If your brain stored everything equally, your mind would become overloaded. So during sleep, the brain starts organizing. The hippocampus, which helps handle short-term memory, communicates with the cortex, which supports longer-term storage. The brain can replay patterns from the day, strengthen important information, and weaken what seems less useful. In simple terms, sleep helps your brain decide what to keep, what to connect, and what to let fade. That is why an all-nighter can backfire. You may gain extra hours awake, but you can lose part of the system that helps learning stick. It is like recording a video all day, then never giving the computer time to process and save the file properly. Now connect the pieces. Deep sleep supports physical repair. Sleep helps the brain clear waste. Sleep helps organize memory. Sleep supports immune and hormonal balance. This is not a shutdown. It is a biological maintenance mode. And that changes how we should think about bedtime. Because modern habits keep stealing the conditions that deep sleep needs. Bright screens close to bed, caffeine late in the day, alcohol that may make you sleepy at first but can disturb sleep quality later, stress scrolling, irregular schedules, rooms that are too warm, too bright, or too noisy, notifications that pull the brain back into alert mode. Many people are not only sleeping less, they are sleeping lighter. That matters because sleep has structure. Your brain moves through cycles during the night. Deep sleep is often stronger in the earlier part of sleep, while dreaming rich REM sleep becomes more common later. When you delay bedtime, wake too early, or keep breaking the night into pieces, you may not just lose time, you may lose the architecture of sleep itself. Think of a construction crew trying to renovate a building while someone keeps cutting the power. The crew may still show up, but the work becomes slower and less complete. So what actually helps? You do not need a perfect routine. You need a repeatable one. Try to keep your sleep and wake time fairly consistent. Get daylight earlier in the day. Move your body, but avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime. Keep the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Reduce bright screens before sleep. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Be careful with heavy meals and alcohol near bedtime. These habits sound basic because they are basic, but your body likes basic signals. Morning light tells your internal clock that the day has started. Evening darkness tells your brain that night is coming. A cooler room supports the body's natural temperature drop. A steady schedule helps your repair window become more predictable. And the goal is not to make sleep another stressful performance score. The goal is to stop treating sleep like wasted time. Because when you are deeply asleep, your body is not doing nothing. It is rebuilding the parts you used, cleaning the organ you think with, sorting the memories that shape you, resetting systems that help you wake up ready for another day. The stillness is not laziness. The quiet is not emptiness. Deep sleep may be the most productive part of your day because it is the part where your body finally gets to work on you. If this made you look at sleep differently, like subscribe and share, it helps us in making more videos like this.